Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing. This time it's not a mystery box, it's more of a review. Uh, it's from the Zavvi, it's from the Hut Group. As you can see, it's a big box. So I'm going to put it over here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, like and share, and hit that notification bell with the mouldy cheese sandwich that your granny made you 8 years ago. That way you'll be notified of all my videos I load up. So without further ado, you want to see what's in the box, don't you? I already know. So we will, without further ado, open the box. Number 5, come alive. Here's number 5. So here we go. We're going to open the box now. Oh, got to be careful. Oh, yeah. Ouch. Just turn it around the other way to cut it. Yeah, right. And we have opened the box. Oh, yeah. There's a load of packaging. Not bubble wrap neither, but paper, paper. Yeah. Which is alright. So far, it's all. Oh, it's alright. We finally got there. Oh, we got a bit of tissue paper. Yeah. Right. Put all that in the box. And what do we have? The mystery will be revealed. Did it? Yes. As you can see, it is the child. It is 11 inch, comes in its own bag. If I can just get it out. There's a package. Yeah, it's a lovely 11 inch. Hold on, and also yeah, as you can see, it yep, plus its hand or same, and it comes with its own bag. Let's see the back. You can carry it over your shoulder. It's got feet, which a lot of them haven't. Have your own child mandolin style adventure and bring the child with you, embarking on an epic journey across the galaxy together. Yep, the rest is in whatever. Yeah, so, oh dear, that's me knocking the tripod over. Well done, you donut. Many happy returns to that donut that knocked that over. Well bloody done, idiot. Right, yes, so you can carry it around with you, and it's got a nice packaging. As I said before, you squeeze his hand. Yeah, and we'll try it and get him out. Oh, will he come out? I don't want to break the packaging. Yeah. Oh, it's alright. It's got a thing round its neck. Yeah. He's got something around his neck that, I can get the bag out though. Yeah, I'm strangling the poor bugger. You see, because it doesn't... Yeah, there it is. Number 5. Have to come alive. Yep. Yeah, well, totally unprepared for this, you know. Oh, there you go again, you donut. What I'll do is I'll take it out of view of the camera, because I'm knocking it all over. There you go, the Great Wall of China. Yeah, well, I do this. That's it. Whoa, yeah, we done it, we done it. Right. Oh, this is the bag, the strap's separate. Oh dear. Oh. Oh dear. Well, we'll keep that tag there. Oh dear, dear, dear. As you can see, there's the Mandalorian, the child. Whoops, excuse me. As you can see, it's got feet. It can stand up on its own. So, yep. Yep, it could stand up on his own. Or you can carry him, put him back in the bag, like that. I've got straps here, so you can carry him in here, like that. I mean, yeah. As you can see, the camera's not very good. I mean, green background. There's the logo. There's the back. And this is the back of. Yeah, and this is the back. Yeah, see. Yep. Goes round. I'll leave that tag on just in case. But this goes here and... Oops, you're over here. Yeah. So, yes. Oh dear. Right. So that's the package. And he fits in there nicely. There you go. And this, the 11-inch plush Mandalorian child. Yes, you can carry it around with you anywhere you go. It says on the back again, look. See? Yeah. Carry it around. There you go. Straps fits nicely. I'll get the straps out later. I won't get them out now. And there's the Mandalorian, and there's a child on the back. So yeah, this is from the as he pulls out. Oh, Mandalorian. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, fingers and thumbs I am today. We're not doing too well. But yeah, there you go. There's the Mandalorian. No, it's not. It's the child. And there's the child. Look at it. Yep. This cost me just over, I think about £35 from Zavvi. So yeah. Yes, so I like it. It's worth the money. I quite enjoy it. And I'm making the most of it because somebody will come in, well, a couple of people will come in and they'll fight over this and it'll disappear. So I'll make the most of it. So yeah. And as you go, this is the child from the mandolin, the 11-inch, talking one for about 36, 35 pound. And one more time, let's hear. Okay, well then, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe and like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell with the mouldy cheese sandwich your granny made you 8 years ago. Yes, and that way you'll be notified of everything that every video I upload. And yeah, so yeah, stay safe out there. Hope you've had your first jab. I've had mine. I'm waiting for the second one, which will be in a couple of weeks. But stay safe out there. Wear a mask, keep your distance, and just generally play by the rules. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay safe. Catch you later. Bye bye.